YouTube. I'm just coming on, as I said I would do yesterday, just to give a few examples of making the base pockets for the flat mail. So it's a lot, the principle of it is a lot like the loaded envelope, loaded pockets. So this is just an A4 plain piece of cardstock I've just scored to make it A5. So that is your real basic one that you could do and put pockets inside to hold your little goodie bags, and then decorate it, or you know, with papers or stamp on it. The next one, you don't have to score it like I just did, so I'll just fold this one. So the next one is again just another piece of A4 cardstock, and this is how the lady did it that I saw on trying to do here on YouTube first. I'm going to link a video so you can see how she does the complete pocket. Now if you are cutting in the middle diagonal like this, put the blade in the middle because it'll leave it jagged, otherwise sorry about that, that's my camera just overbalanced. I cut it the wrong way, never mind. Right, so we could do it like that, but decorate this front bit with your papers first before you actually glue it down. Or you can take the oh, look at that, I broke my score. Broke my score thing, never mind. Or you can do like the video tutorial which I'll show you. She did it out of a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock, and she cut it down to 8. By 10. Then she scored it at 5. I'm trying to find a little score thing. There you go. And she scored it at 5. Ooh, I'm no good with this scoreboard. She scored it at 5. Now what she did is she did that diagonal cut that I did before, and then she laid the papers. But you could do it a different way. Basically the world's your oyster with this, because you can do so many different things with it. I mean, to put the pockets on this, you could put a pocket there, put a pocket there, say, and put a pocket there, so you've got 2 pockets. There's so many different ways that you could do it. Right, I'm going to actually put it the right way this time. So just line it up. You don't want to take the whole of the bottom portion off though, you want to do it at an angle, so it makes it stronger. But if you don't put it all the way down, and plus it's easy to adhere obviously. Right, so that's, and then the back bit, I've got a spare piece of cardstock there. Let's do contrasting. So that could be a pocket on the back. Or, instead of layering it how she layered it, you could stick it down like that. After you've stuck that, stick this bit down, then you could stick that on the front, and you've got your big main pocket, and then you've got a pocket here. Oh, I'm wondering if you could cut that down again and make 3 pockets. Have a go. Let's make it up as we go along. No, I don't think that'd work, would it? Let's see what we can do. Ooh. If that'd work. If you taped it at the bottom and put a little bit of tape at the top, and then you could slide things in either side. Yeah. There's just loads of different ways to do it, really. It's just however you choose to do it, really. As long as, like I say, the biggest is that it's under an inch, which is 2.5 centimetres to post. The American version, they have to be under 3/4 of an inch to be able to post on flat mail. And like with large letters in the UK, it goes up in increments depending on the weight, but theirs goes up in ounces and ours goes up in grams. Their standard letter, which is our standard letter, is 0.25 centimetres, which is less than 1/8 of an inch. And I'm sure the American standard letter can go up to 1/4 of an inch. So there's quite a big difference in our standard letters, the thickness that we're allowed between the UK and the US. But the closest, in comparison, like I said, is the flat mail stamp to our large envelope stamp. So it's about the thickness, really, more than anything. Right, another popular size that I've seen done is for loaded envelopes is the 9x6. So we'll cut this down to 6. Because I'm not going to, because you don't have to fold it. You can cut it and then stick the pockets on the front. You don't, just because, you know, like I say, you don't have to fold it. It's just however you want to do it. Hey, I've lost my bone folder now. Found it. Right, so 6x9, so that'll be 3 inches, won't it? Score it with 3 inches. There we go. So this is easy. It really is as easy as that. And then to make another pocket, there you go, just to add another pocket to it. And then on the back, you could add another pocket. You know, they're a lot like what we do for loaded pockets and the loaded library pockets and the loaded. There's another way actually of doing the loaded envelope. But there's just really a few ideas for you of how to do the bases. I don't know if it's going to help you. I hope it does. If you've watched, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Okay, thank you. Bye.